Now the seasonings, along with the hot sauce, have started to blend throughout the food. So we're going to go back and add our chicken. I'm going to try and stick the chicken down in the bottom and let the vegetables cover the top. This will heat the chicken and keep it more moist. If you remember, we did garlic, salt, black pepper, and chili powder with the chicken, and now with the vegetables they will also be mixed, but the hot sauce will pull the vegetables from a different flavor from the chicken, so each will be very distinctive. And again, the hot sauce and the jalapenos are going to pull the heat in one way, while the tomatoes, onions, and green peppers are going to cool it the other. And in addition to that, as I said, all of this over a white rice, sour cream, green chili, and cheesecake.